Candle Chronicles, Part 1 of the current spell on the side altar, which is the reversal candle spell. Don't say. This one has formed an interesting spiral wick pattern as it burns. This one has been stubborn, yet that does not surprise me. That's how far we've burnt down there. Though the side did have a little melty thing happen when this one got too close to it. Some things are harder to let go of than others, I guess. So this is how much of our candles have burnt down. The names on these candles are gone. Hi, Zaza. Meow. But that's how far down it's burnt so far. No? Candle Chronicles. Still day one. I have assisted in that large pillar melting a little bit more since it seemed it wasn't going to melt the walls. I did this by holding these guys up to the edges near the names they represented and the crossway, and pouring some of the wax out as I went, which has made some interesting little patterns here on the side altar. Like I said, this is messy. Also, I should mention that hematite is great for banishing negativity back to where it came